Today we're gonna make a delicious spinach protein smoothie for your workout. I'm talking slowly. First of all, because this is not my original language. Secondly, because I want you to pay close attention and understand what I'm saying. Protein is the main key to keep every muscle, every bone, everything in place. So I want you to pay closely attention, and I hope you can make and enjoy it.
Okay, for this smoothie, we're gonna use 1 frozen banana, half cup of milk. This is almond milk. I'm using also 1 spoon almond butter. This is tablespoon, okay? And also I'm using a little bit of cinnamon powder, French vanilla, and this is my favorite, my protein. I've been using this protein for years, and also it's not only take care of my muscles, it's also take care of my immune system. And the main ingredient over here, this is the spinach. You know that spinach has a great protein also. I'm gonna cover it, we're gonna blend it. And here we go, this delicious smoothie, creamy, and with a great benefits at the time when you drink. As a topic you can use wherever you prefer. In this case I'm using some bananas, chia, and also some dry nuts. You can put also some blueberries if you want, but in my case I put some cranberries.
As you can see, this is the final result. Looks good, but I want to see, I'm so curious, so tempted to test it, and I'm gonna try it to see how good and delicious this is the best of the best. I invite you to try it, please. If you like it, put in your comments. Also, I invite you to tag me and follow me on my social media, which is Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. We'll see you in the next video.